Once you have figured out all the different parts you need to make, it's time to start thinking about how you're going to do it. So for finding the climber, I'm going to Google climber silhouettes. And download. Then I need to import into Adobe Illustrator and trace, and then I need to export as SVG files, or save as actually. I'll make another tutorial about how to do this. In fact, okay, so then I need to import them into Fusion. So what I need to do first actually is start new sketch on the clock face. Then I need to go import SVG. Then I need to, now I've been playing around with this a bit, so you should have learned a few tricks when you were practicing playing around. So one thing I've realized, I need to change the scale to fit the clock and move/rotate. So I think that's everything I need to do. Start new sketch, import SVG, first SVG file, change to fit, and then repeat for rest of files. Okay. And are there any notes that I need to, I might want to say to change scale, put in a new number, just to remind myself I don't just click and drag. So then to make the white background disk, so then I'm going to start new sketch on the back of the clock face. I'm going to need to project the geometry so that I can see the circle of the whole front face. Then I'm going to draw a center point rectangle, same size as the front face. I need to make a little note here because I need to make sure though that my mechanism can fit in. So I'm just going to make a little note here. Make sure to leave the mechanism whole and turn off ring 1. That's the first ring we made for the mechanism because I'm now replacing that with this white disk. So I'm kind of thinking that through. So hopefully this gives you an idea of the sort of detail that you want to put into this as you plan out how you're going to make your clock.